Okay, let's go.
You guys scared?
I read a meme that if you're walking in a forest, let someone always walking you because there's just a spider web there. Yeah.
Where?
The Peabody Creek or keep on going. Just keep on going.
What's that way? It's people from the marathon. We're hiking in the Olympic National Park. Can you camera? See that pipe there? I wonder if anything lives in that pipe. Right there. See it? Guys, careful. It's wet, guys.
Oh, like a boss. That's a fail. Stepped on it. How was jumping all the way? Wait. It's gotta. Yeah. Jump it! Jump it! I mean, jump it. Your breath smells actually. Oh, fine.
Well, look at this arc. On Peter's arc here. Take a video.
Hi. Hi, Mom. Oh, turn around, Mom. Thank you. That's it.
So you've been hiking for...
Like
How long have you been hiking?
30
30 minutes.
maybe more.
Yes, I got that on camera! Spider. I don't see a big spider. I don't know where we are.
We're in the same place. It's probably close to midnight now when the sun's still up. I think we've been here before.
So I'll just drop this hat. You get your hat. How do you feel? Oh, it's safe though. It's not dirty. Jinjin jumped down and got it. Not listening. That's a cool bridge. I like these kind of bridges.
You're not even recording, Mom. You just started.
I think
I think I got it here.
Oh yeah, okay.
You're strong. I gotta do it again. It's rock. No, don't touch it. It's rock. Oh, wait, here. Make a vine of me breaking rocks. I'm gonna break some rocks. So I'll just drop this hat. Jump down and got it.
Hero.
Mom.
Hi, Hero. I think
I got it here.
Oh yeah, okay.
Hi. Hello. Yeah, sounds like me in the toilet. I like that sound. Guys.
Ew, Mom.
Oh sh. How do you feel about that?
Human poop. There we go.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that.
I saw it. I thought
Weird. Wait, hear this? Hear that? Wait, shh, 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 shh. Oh my goodness, it didn't come out. Never mind.
I think we're almost there. I hear the highway. Not really, but...
Imagine eating a slug. Juicy, huh? Juicy J! Where are we going? Where are we going? I don't know where we're going.
Oh!
It's the light! We reached more light. Are you getting to the end? The struggle's real.
But he chose at 3 lives, and you're at 1 life, and you just damaged Uber's son. He just damaged him a little bit, and then
We thought we were getting close to the end. But I don't know. Seems like the trail just keeps going on and on. I have 1 bottle of water, that's good enough. So wet. So wet. Oh, look at that. New hope. Keep going.
you did it, guys.
We are survivors. We will fight till the end. No matter what, I will do my best. Oh, there's cars. You see cars. We're almost done. Almost done. Just think about it. After this, we can eat. We can eat meat. We've been traveling for like more than an hour. Still no clue.
How are you guys doing?
Like, heart rate is going at 200 beats per minute. Hyperventilating. This is the Blair Witch.
I think we reached the top. See the cars? Oh my goodness. How do you feel?
Cars.
Where's our car?
Cars! America!
Wala dito si Justin Bieber. An hour of being in the Blair Witch Mountain. We're finally freedom. Poop. Right there.
Okay, didn't we say we were just about there? Was near the end? Still traveling. We see the cars right there. We're still walking. I don't know! Wait, let me see real quick. Yeah, this just goes to the highway. Cars. They're going pretty fast. Oh, there's somebody running, but